You expect meat, maybe some fat, a casing. But what gives sausage its real identity is spice. Pepper, nutmeg, fennel, paprika, they don't just add flavor. They carry the fingerprints of empires, slavery, conquest, and class warfare. This is Ordinary Origins, and you're about to discover the secret history of sausage spices. The first sausages were spiced for survival. Salt and spice didn't just flavor the meat, they kept it from rotting. In ancient Mesopotamia and Rome, sausage wasn't just about taste, it was about preservation. Early recipes used garlic, cumin, coriander, and pepper, all believed to fight off disease. Sausage was medicine, and flavor was power. By the Middle Ages, black pepper had become so valuable that it was used as currency. The pepper in your sausage came from war. Europeans couldn't get enough of it, but they didn't grow it. So they fought for it, wars were waged, ships were launched, and an entire age of exploration was funded by the search for spice. You're tasting the legacy of the Portuguese spice fleets. It wasn't cheap, it wasn't local, and it wasn't peaceful. The Dutch East India Company and the colonial battles that reshaped the world. People died so nutmeg could end up in your holiday sausage. It took centuries to catch on, and when it did, it became a symbol of national identity. Spice wasn't just seasoning, it was status. When you taste pepper in your sausage today, that fennel in your Italian sausage, probably grown in India. Nutmeg, the spice that got bloody nutmeg, made its way into sausages during the Renaissance, especially in Germany and England. Rich people ate sausages laced with exotic imports, mace, saffron, cinnamon, cloves. Spice still moves across oceans and through invisible hands. The Banda Islands, the only source of nutmeg at the time, were invaded, enslaved, and nearly depopulated by the Dutch just to control the spice trade. Because even the smallest ingredients have the most extraordinary origins. A pinch of nutmeg means trade routes, a dash of pepper means empire. A hint of paprika means cultural survival. Paprika and national pride. In Central and Eastern Europe, paprika became the soul of regional sausage, from Hungarian kolbisz to Spanish chorizo. But paprika isn't native to Europe. It came from the Americas, brought over after the Columbian Exchange. In Hungary, paprika sausage isn't just food, it's patriotism in a casing. The Great Spice Divide for centuries, spice and sausage was a sign of class. Poor people got salt, garlic, and whatever local herbs they could find. Modern sausages still carry colonial baggage. Today, most people don't know where the spice in their sausage comes from. But the industry still follows global patterns of cheap labor, export farming, and Western markets. That chili powder in your hot dog may be dried and ground in Mexico. Sausage isn't just meat, it's a map. Every bite contains clues. Sausage spices are a hidden history of the world in your mouth.